The global pandemic has speeded up the trend of people working from home in a big way. As of April 2022, more than half of the American workforce work from home. This is good news for people who want to work from home and get the benefits that come with it. In this video, we'll talk about the 10 remote jobs you can do from home. But before starting our countdown, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Number 10. Translator or interpreter. If you speak English and another language well, you might be able to work from home. You would translate written information from one language to another as a translator. As an interpreter, you'd convert spoken words between languages. Number 9. Data scientist. Data scientists with the right skills are needed in almost every industry to turn large amounts of data into useful business insights. Consider a job in data science, artificial intelligence, or machine learning if you like to work with numbers and use data to solve problems. Number 8. Sales representative. As a sales rep, you help customers find the right products and services for their needs. When you work in sales, especially in the tech industry, you can connect with people from afar and help businesses grow. Number 7. UX designer. User experience could be a good choice for you if you want to work at the intersection of technology and design. With a number of tools that work well with remotes, you can help make products easier to use, more fun, and more accessible. Number 6. Web or software developer. As a developer, you make and keep up websites, programs, and computer or mobile apps. Even before the pandemic, this was one of the first fields to allow people to work from home. Number 5. Information security analyst. As an information security analyst, you can help protect the data, computers, and networks of your company from cyber attacks and data breaches. Number 4. Data analyst. Data analysts help businesses make better business decisions by collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data. Most of a data analyst's daily tasks and responsibilities are computer-based and can be done from home. Number 3. Project manager. Almost every type of business needs project managers. In this job, you get to use your organizational and people skills to lead teams and make sure projects are finished on time and on budget. Number 2. Social media marketer. Social media marketers use sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok to find new customers and keep in touch with the ones they already have. Number 1. Computer support specialist. Computer support specialists, who are also called computer technicians or IT support specialists, help people and businesses set up and maintain their computers, softwares, and networks. So, that's it for today. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.